In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure crypto price movement on TradingView. Whether you're a beginner trader or a seasoned expert, understanding price movements is crucial for making informed trading decisions. TradingView offers a plethora of tools for chart analysis, and today we're going to focus on using the ruler tool to measure crypto price movements effectively. To begin, you'll want to open the TradingView desktop application. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the TradingView website to get started. The desktop application offers a seamless experience with all the analytical tools you'll need right at your fingertips. Once you've got TradingView open, the next step is to navigate to the search bar. You can quickly locate this feature typically at the top of your TradingView interface. It's your gateway to a wide range of charts and crypto assets. With the search feature, open up any cryptocurrency chart you're currently dealing with or interested in analyzing. TradingView supports various crypto pairs, so you can select the one that best fits your trading needs. Now that you have the chart in view, we're going to make use of the ruler tool. This tool is incredibly useful for measuring the percentage change and the number of bars between 2 points on a chart, providing you with essential data at a glance. To access the ruler tool, there's a handy shortcut you can use. Simply press Alt+M on your keyboard. If you prefer, you can also select it directly from the toolbar within the application. Once you've activated the ruler tool, click on a starting point on your chart and drag to your desired endpoint. This action will create a line that visually represents the price movement over the period you selected. As you drag from one point to another, TradingView automatically provides you with vital statistics, such as the percentage change over the period and the count of bars, which represent the time intervals. This function gives you an immediate understanding of how the price has moved over the selected time frame, which is crucial for analyzing trends and making trading decisions. Once you've gathered the information you need, you can click anywhere on the chart to clear the ruler tool and remove the measurement lines. It's as simple as that. And remember, you can repeat this process for different sections of your chart to compare various price movements or to conduct a more thorough analysis across different time frames. By following these steps, you'll be able to measure crypto price movements on TradingView with ease, empowering you to make more informed decisions in your trading journey. This powerful tool is just one of many on TradingView that can enhance your trading strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.